Namaste everyone. In this class, we are going to see the Laplace transform of derivatives. So, what is Laplace transform of derivative? Here, Laplace of f dash t means if there is a function which is derivative of a function, then it will be equal to minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of t. Laplace of f of t, sorry. It is Laplace of f of t. So Laplace transform of derivative of f of t is minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. Let us see its proof. So Laplace of f dash t, we will say that this is equals to 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f dash t into dt. So here we are going to use u into v method. So I have e power minus st. I will keep this e raised to minus st as it is. I will integrate this f dash t. It will become f of t. Limit will be 0 to infinity minus. I will differentiate this e raised to minus st, which will give me minus s into e raised to minus st into f of t dt. So here we will put the limits. So when I put infinity, I will get 0 minus when I put 0, I have f of 0 minus here it is minus minus plus, here it is s I will take out, here it is 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t into dt. Now this particular part is Laplace of, so s into, here it is Laplace of f of t. So minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. This is our formula for Laplace of f dash t. If I extend this concept and I find Laplace of f double dash t, double dash means 2 times I differentiate. So here I will get minus, in place of f of 0 I have minus f dash 0, then plus s times we have Laplace of f of t. I am differentiating, so Laplace of f dash t, as in the previous proof we got, it is minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t. So when I open this bracket, I will get minus f dash 0, then minus s into f of 0, then plus it is s square into Laplace of f of t. So s square into Laplace of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash 0 is my required derivative. Let us see a few problems. First problem, we will see it is given f of t is equals to t plus 1 for t between 0 and 2, and f of t is equals to 3 for t greater than 2. We have to find Laplace of f of t, Laplace of f dash t. So here we have to find what is Laplace of f of t. This is first problem. Second, we will check what is Laplace of f dash t, and third we will check what is Laplace of f double dash t. So Laplace of f of t. First, let us find out Laplace of f of t. So by formula it is 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Now I have two different values of the function. One is for 0 to 2 and other is for 2 to infinity. So here we will say that 0 to 2 it is e power minus st into f of t. For 0 to 2 it is t plus 1 into dt, plus then we have 2 to infinity e raised to minus st into we have 3 into dt. So this is equals to, now u into v I will apply. So t plus 1 into e power minus st upon minus s, then minus, I differentiate this t plus 1, I will get 1 into, here it is e power minus st upon s square. The limit we have 0 to 2 plus 3 times, here we have e raised to minus st upon minus s, and limit is 2 to infinity. So first we put 2, so 2 plus 1 3, it is minus 3 e power minus 2s whole divided by, we have s minus I used because here s is minus, then minus we have e power minus 2s whole divided by s square. Then when I put value of t as 0, then we have plus e raised to 0 is 1, so it is 1 upon s. Then this is also plus, it is 1 upon s square. Then when I put infinity, it will become 0, and then this minus will become plus 3 into e power minus 2s upon s. So this first term and this last term will cancel, and I have final answer as 1 upon s plus 1 upon s square minus e power minus 2s upon s square. So this is our Laplace of f of t. Second, I have to find Laplace of f dash t. So the formula for Laplace of f dash t is minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. Now minus f of 0. So f of 0, here function f of t is t plus 1 and 3. So when t is 0, I will use this function. So I put value of t as 0, so I will get 1. So here I will write this as minus 1 plus s into Laplace of f of t. So we have just find out its value is 1 upon s plus 1 upon s square minus e power minus 2s upon s square. Now when you open the bracket, you will get minus 1 plus, now you open the bracket, you will get 1 plus 1 upon s minus e power minus 2s upon s. Now this minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, and finally you have 1 upon s minus e power minus 2s upon s. This is Laplace of f dash t. Now finally I will find Laplace of f double dash t. So for this we have formula Laplace of f double dash t as s square into Laplace of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash 0. So here I have s square into, we have 1 upon s plus 1 upon s square minus e power minus 2s upon s square into this minus s into f of 0 is 1 minus f dash 0. So the derivative what we have find out, in that we will put the value of s as 0. So first derivative Laplace, here we will put the value of s as f dash 0. So f dash 0 means differentiate the function and then put the value. So f of t, when I differentiate, I will get 1. F of t, when I differentiate t plus 1, I will get 1. And then when I put t as 0, so as it is 1, there is no t, f dash 0 is also 1. So here it is minus 1. Now this is s square into 1 upon s is s, plus this is 1, minus this is e power minus 2s. Then here we have minus s and minus 1. So this s and 1 will cancel, and we have answer as minus e power minus 2s. This is Laplace of f double dash t. F double dash means second derivative of t. Laplace of second derivative of t is this much. We will see one more question. The question is, if Laplace of t into sin omega t is equals to 2 omega s upon s square plus omega square, then find Laplace of omega t into cos omega t plus sin omega t. Now here f of t, if I take f of t as t into sin omega t, then f dash t will be t into omega into cos omega t plus sin omega t. We have to find Laplace of this part, that is Laplace of f dash t is minus f of 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. So therefore Laplace of, here we have omega t into cos omega t plus sin omega t. This will be equal to minus f of 0. So f of t is t into sin omega t. So when I take f of 0, I put 0. So here it will be minus 0 plus s into Laplace of f of t. So Laplace of f of t is given 2 omega s upon s square plus omega square. So here we will get 2 omega s square divided by s square plus omega square, and this is your answer. Simple. Okay. So as in Laplace transform of derivatives, we have few problems. So we stop our lecture here. In the next class, we will see Laplace transform of integrals.